Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm revealing the best side hustles for beginners in 2025. I know you're looking to make extra cash by doing side hustles, which is a good thing. Well, this video is for you. Stick around until the end because I have a bonus hustle that no one is talking about. Let's go. Number 1. AI-powered freelancing. 2025 is the year of AI and automation, and if you're not leveraging it, you're missing out. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Synthesia, you can offer content writing, graphic design, and even voiceover services without being an expert. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork make it easy to start earning today. All you have to do is to master your skills, select your field, sign up for the freelancing platforms such as Fiverr.com or Upwork.com. Create your seller profile and list your services and gigs. That's it. If you want more detailed video on freelancing, then do let me know as I've made over $10,000 with this side hustle. Number 2. Selling digital products. Imagine making money while you sleep. Selling digital products like ebooks, Notion templates, or Canva designs on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Shopify is a great way to create passive income. The best part? You create it once, and it sells forever. To start selling digital products, you need to identify a niche with a demand for digital products you can create. Develop the product itself, like online courses, templates, or design assets. Set up an online store on a platform like Shopify or dedicated digital product marketplaces. Market your product to your target audience through relevant channels and ensure secure delivery mechanisms for your digital downloads. Number 3. Print on demand. No inventory, no shipping, just creativity. With print on demand, you can design t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more on platforms like Printify, Redbubble, and Teespring. The platform handles the printing and shipping, so you just collect the profits. To start selling print on demand, you need to choose a niche market, select a print on demand provider like Printify, design your product, set up an online store like on Shopify or Etsy, integrate the print provider with your store, list your designs on products, and then market your store to reach potential customers. I mean, it's a great side hustle if you have audience such as social media followers. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. For this, no experience needed. Affiliate marketing is easier than ever in 2025. With platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale, you can recommend products you love and earn commissions on every sale. The trick? Use social media, TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram to promote products and make money while you sleep. To start affiliate marketing, you need to choose a niche. For example, you can choose kitchen equipment and stuff. Find relevant affiliate programs within that niche, create valuable content on a chosen platform, build an audience, and promote your affiliate links through that content to drive traffic and generate sales. Remember guys, they might feel hard things to do, but once you start doing these side hustles, the path will begin to feel easy. Trust me, I've been in this process and now it's paying off. Number 5. TikTok cash cow channels. You don't need to be on camera to make money on TikTok. Faceless TikTok channels are blowing up. You can create videos using stock footage, AI voiceovers, and trending sounds. Monetize through TikTok Creator Fund, brand deals, and affiliate marketing. All you have to do is to sign up for TikTok and start creating engaging content. To be eligible for the TikTok Creator Fund, you must be at least 18 years old, have 10,000 followers, and have received at least 100,000 video views within the last 30 days on your account. That's it. And as promised, here's a bonus side hustle that almost no one is talking about yet. Number 6. Virtual event planning. With more people attending virtual events, companies are looking for event coordinators to manage online workshops, summits, and webinars. You can use tools like Zoom, AirMeet, and Hopin to create and manage online events and charge premium rates. So there you have it, the top side hustles for beginners in 2025. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for side hustles like these. See you in the next video.